Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Week Mix Tech. So today I have very interesting tutorials to take you through, and it's all about how to extract vocals and instrumentals from original song. Clean vocals, clean instrumentals from original song. And it is easy to do this, and we are going to use CapCut to do this. So if you don't have CapCut, just go to capcut.com and download their software and install it on your PC. Yeah, so I would like to take you through my desktop and I'll take you through the whole process. So stick with me, don't skip a second from this video. Let's go through and watch. Yeah, so back on our screens, to export uh, vocals or instrumental from a song, you got to download or install CapCut version 3 point and above. So you can change on their official website capcut.com. Then you download, as you can see from here, download for free. When you're done, you install it, and always make sure you have version 3 and above. Okay, so when you're done, just create new project. So when you create new project, I'll be working with, let me work with Shatta Wale as I don't want copyright. I will do with Shatta Wale designer song. So as you load the song like this, make sure you have internet connect. You've connected your internet, because without the internet you will not be able to get that feature that we are going to use. So let me play the song. So as you can see, it's a full project. So we are trying to extract only the vocals, then extract only the instrumentals separately. So what we are going to do is I will duplicate this and I'll place one here. So this is one, and so we are going to use this for, we are going to extract vocals only from this, and also extract the instrumental from this. So what we are going to do is to right click on the clip, right click on it like this. So this menu will come, then you can see vocal isolation, vocal isolation. So keep vocals. When you click on keep vocals, it will only keep the vocals and ignore the instrumental, you see. So you just have to take your time or wait small for it to process, because it uses data. And this one, to right click on it, then remove vocals. So we want to remove vocals, leaving only the instrumentals. So let's play and see if it is working now. I'm not sure. Okay, I think it's still processing, so we go wait more. Yeah, it's done. It's done. It's done. Only that we step in a girl, I want him more. Alamaran and cheddar. Oh baby, chop amo. Hey baby, when you hold me for bigger. La 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 kibo. And let's check this one too. As you can see, this one too, the vocals is out, leaving only the instrumental. So if you want to extract only instrumental from a song, you can use CapCut and use this same process to work it out, and it's going to work for you. So as you can see, this is the vocals and this is the instrumentals over here. If you want to extract the audio from the video, because this is video clip as you see, and so you can extract audio, then you can delete this clip, leaving the audio only here. And also this one too, you can extract, right click on it, then extract audio. So you can delete this clip over here. So we have the audios here. This is vocals, and this is instrumentals. You see.
Design, come for design. Baby, tell me your design.
So I will play it for you to hear, starting from this side.
Hey, hey, the big man. Listen to the big man.
Lie. Only that we step in now. Oh, girl, I'm wanting more. All of my runs and cheddar. Oh, baby, chop amo. Hey, baby, when you hold me for nigga. La la la, kibo. I know like it like that. Honorable kibo. Suddenly I start to shiver when I see my baby put in fire. Oh. The way you the movie, your body, you got me putting pressure. Oh. 24/7, every day I go there watch you like a soldier. Oh. And anytime, any day I go to give you what you ask for. Design, baby, tell me your design. Design now, baby, what is your design? Design, come for design. Baby, tell me your design, Birkin design now. I'ma be long, them a try. I'ma be long, them a try, but I'm wiser. Oh, girl, your body divine. Oh, girl, now you gonna be my appetizer. All of my guys, them no sin on me and you fit each other. I remember for the ghetto when I met you. Suddenly I start to shiver when I see my baby put in fire. Oh. The way you the movie, your body, you got me putting pressure. 24/7, every day I go to watch you like a soldier. Oh. And anytime, any day I go to give you what you ask for. Design, baby, tell me your design now, baby, what is your design? Design, done for design, baby, tell me your design, Birkin design now. Design, baby, tell me your design, design now, baby, what is your design?
Yeah, so that is the vocals. So we're moving from the vocals to the instrumentals. So stick with me as I take you through the instrumentals only. Yeah, so this is the best way to extract vocals and instrumentals from a song. Yeah, so you might want to save this. So what you're going to do is to come to export. Let's say you want to export only the audio. You can see you have video, audio. So you have to take the audio, untick the video. Then you name your file and export it. So let me try it here. Shatta Wale designer vocals and because I'm extracting the two, so I'm naming it like that, vocals and instru. Okay, so let's export. Yeah, so we're done with it. Let's open it and play it outside in our player. Let's play it in our music player. This is it. So I'm playing it right now with my music player, and this is my music player. As you can see, this is my music player.
Lie. Only that we stepping up. Oh, girl, I want him more. Alamaran Sancheda. Oh, baby, chop amo. Hey, baby, when you hold me for Mika. La la la, kibo. Omo, I know like it like that. Other but kibo. Suddenly, I start to shiver when I.
Oliver Twist up in a oh girl, I want you. Oh. Na 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 tada. Na 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 auntie. Ebelebe, Monica. Na 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 Kimo. Na 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 na. Yeah, so whenever you hear a song and you want to get instrumentals like freestyle on it and stuff, you can use this method CapCut, get internet connection and use CapCut, and Charlie, you good to go. You're going to get clean instrumentals, clean vocals, and Charlie, that's all. Thank you very much for staying through here with me. My name is Andy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell. Share for others to get a chance to watch. I'm out for now. Bye bye. See you in another video. Thank you very much for staying through to this end. So this is so easy. Maybe you're having a favorite song, you want the instrumentals, and you're not getting the instrumentals anywhere. You just want to listen to how the vocals only will sound, and you are not getting it anywhere. This is the best way to extract only the vocals and also extract only instrumentals for your own purpose. Thank you very much for staying through. Don't forget to leave your comment below in the comment section. Let me know if you don't understand anything in this video. I will be with you in the comment section and answer you accordingly. Also, do all to share for others to get a chance to watch. Subscribe for me. Please subscribe.